Here we are today to demonstrate the brand new RENPHO Health Smart Tape Measure. And we're going to, my granddaughter, Tony, has volunteered to let us use her as a model. So we're going to pull this out and start recording immediately. So I'm going to run this down around her belt, around her shoulder, and then clip it in right here. I'll let the tape flip. Plug it in, and then retract, push this button to retract, and it gives a 54.51 measurement. We'll save that. It's going to go to the app. This goes 5467. It matches. So all I have to do is click that save. It is now saved to the device. It saved it. Now it's ready for the next measurement. So when you download the app, you go to RENPHO Health. You can download it from your App Store or from the Play Store, depending on whether you're Android or iPhone. And then download it, and it easily pairs to your device. Here's our scale that we use, and now the tape measure. You click that, it pairs instantly, and then you're ready to start recording your measurements. So this is how you would measure an arm or a bicep. You pull this out a little bit, make a loop, plug that back in, and now you have a loop that we can use to measure a bicep, abdomen, your neck, or any other body part. So we're going to get her to lift her foot up. Put her foot through there just like that. And you push the retractable button right here, and it pulls in and gives the measurement, perfect measurement, 13.44. If I save that, it'll be saved in the app. It's also saved here and in the app. Right now, the RENPHO Smart Tape Measure is on sale for $39.98, and it's in the link down below.